Thanks so much for signing up for Seamless.ai. We really look forward to helping you build your pipeline. So in this short video, we're going to walk you through some of the steps that will take you through to onboard and then also get you started right away building that pipeline and starting to find contacts and companies. So when you first sign up for Seamless, you're going to see the setup and get started tutorial walkthrough. And so this will give you a couple things to start get you acclimated with the Seamless platform. So you can click here to jump into our help center, which will go to our setup and get started article that walks you through a little bit about what Seamless can offer you, as well as the quick hit items for how to best use the Seamless platform and get up and running right away. So click on that, walk through that short article, and it'll show you some article details. It'll show you some bullets. It'll also show you some screenshots around how to use the platform. You're also going to want to connect your Google Chrome. That is going to allow you to use the social extension with LinkedIn. So you can go on LinkedIn, use LinkedIn Standard, Premium, or Sales Navigator, and have the find button from Seamless right there with you as you go to find contacts. Simply click that find button or click the find all within search within social, and we will go ahead and add all of that information to your My Contacts, research, validate, and find contact information in real time. It's a very efficient way to utilize Seamless using that Chrome extension. So we definitely encourage you to click through, add that from the Chrome store, and get started using Seamless Social right away as well. You can also add it to your email and add it to your CRM. This will give you the opportunity to select from your Google Outlook from an email or to your Salesforce for your CRM integration. So this allows you from email to be able to start finding contact information from your email right away. So you can pull out that very important email address, the phone numbers from signatures. So if you want to mine that data across one or multiple of your emails, you can set up your email. You can also add to your CRM and Salesforce and have a direct connection with one click, either individually or in bulk, to send information from Seamless right into your Salesforce. You can even set up automatic importing. So as soon as you click that find button, that import will go right into your Salesforce right away. It's a very efficient way to build your pipeline and get that right into your CRM with very minimal, next to no effort, connecting that CRM and that direct integration. We're also continuously adding new CRMs every day. So HubSpot will be with us shortly, and we're going to have additional ones here in 2019 and beyond. So if you have any requests, feel free to let our help team and our support team know, and we'll make sure to get you added to that CRM wish list. You can also invite your coworkers in one click. So this will actually allow you in one click to invite your entire address book. We give you referral credit and also additional bonus credits for our free users if you invite new users. So you can click that send in one time, and then anyone that signs up through that send link is going to give you free credits for our free users, as well as we're going to pay users for anyone who signs up and becomes an unlimited customer. We'll pay you a commission using our really efficient affiliate program. So if you want to start earning some free credits as well as earning some money, I'd recommend using that. Invite your coworkers, and in one click, you can get that sent out to your entire email inbox and start reaping the rewards of that right away. You can also schedule a one-on-one demo as well. Just click this button. If you want to schedule a demo, that'll send a request out to our team to get that set up right away. So that will be one way if you want to, coming out of this video, if you want a little bit more one-on-one help, or you want to learn about what Seamless Unlimited can offer you, you can go ahead and click that as well. But this is basically everything that you can do in our quick onboarding to get you familiar and get you all set up and connected with Seamless. So once you roll through all those steps and have everything taken care of, just simply click the next button, and we're going to go ahead and just continue here on. And then it's going to take you into our verification steps. So this is going to send you a quick text message code, and this is simply just to make sure that you are a human, and also as a freemium product, you're not creating multiple free accounts and taking advantage of that system. Obviously, we give you a really generous offer with the 100 credits and 25 credits each month. We're also going to give you a bonus 100 credits at each quarter because we really appreciate you using the platform. So that'll give you some really great free credits to use right out of the gate. And then once you are ready to upgrade to unlimited leads at any time, just click that green button in the top and you will upgrade to unlimited leads. But here you can see I've authorized via my SMS. It's really quick. It'll send you that text message and get started right away. Then we're going to jump you into the actual search of Seamless. And so we do have an onboarding sequence that I would recommend you taking a few moments just to walk through here. So it'll just step by step walk you through all the things that Seamless can do. And so I'm going to talk through these as we go to get you familiar with the Seamless platform. So we do have an enhanced search. So you can search for contacts and you can search for companies here using search criteria directly within the Seamless platform in our real-time search engine. So simply just input information there around companies, titles, keywords, and names, and you can find contact information and find contacts right away. We'll look up that information in real time and present it right here within our search engine. You can also utilize Seamless in-app or in social as well. So as I mentioned, you set up the Chrome extension, and that is going to allow you to use Seamless within social. So you can put in your search criteria, you can hit search, and that's going to show you the search results right here. Or you can hit the social button, and that's going to take you within LinkedIn. You don't have to hit the social button to use LinkedIn. You can just navigate to LinkedIn and then go to a profile or go to a search result. And as long as you have that Chrome extension installed, Seamless will work right there with you as well. But if you want to go from the search and you want to jump right in, you simply put in company, put in title, and then click social, and it'll use those as keywords to give you a search result within LinkedIn. As I mentioned, this works within Standard, Premium, as well as Sales Navigator. Sales Navigator has some great additional niche criteria filters that you can filter by and you can find contacts by. So if you're looking to find contacts under locations, under different industries of companies, under different company sizes, definitely recommend using Sales Navigator in tandem with Seamless because it's a very powerful combination. And we see a lot of our big power users who are building big lists have a lot of success using this method. And then you can also find contacts or find companies within Seamless. So you can put in contact criteria, quickly find a list of contacts. You can also put in company criteria by switching over to that other tab and find companies and then find contacts quickly under those companies. So you can do that within Seamless. You can do it really efficiently within Sales Navigator as well, using finding contacts with company criteria in one consolidated search. So if you are looking to utilize that, it's definitely a recommended path, but we have the ability to find contacts and companies both in Seamless in-app in our real-time search or within LinkedIn and Sales Navigator as well. You can also use we have a single search screen. So as you put in that information, if you're using our in-app search, we're going to present all that information right in front of you here, and it's going to show you that immediately the search results in real time with relevant results who fit the criteria that you're searching for. So navigate to that search screen, use our left-hand search bar, put in that criteria, and you'll be all set off to the races, finding contacts and then quickly finding contact information within Seamless. All that information, once you find it, once you look for a contact, whether you find it in Seamless Search or you find it in Sales Nav or LinkedIn, with the Chrome extension, that's all going to end up in My Contacts. So all this information is going to go right into your My Contacts database, and it's going to stay there, and that's where you then export or import. If you have Salesforce connected, you can import directly to Salesforce. You can export to a CSV and take that to any other third-party tool, such as another CRM, and map those, or a third-party email tool and start sending an email list segmented by that email information from Seamless. Or you can put those into your dialers as well and start using the direct dials as well as the company phones provided within Seamless and start to hit the phones right away. My Companies, if you're searching for companies, again, within Seamless or within LinkedIn, you can also find company information and then import and export that information as well within My Companies. So as soon as you find those companies, we're going to put all that information in your My Companies and it'll stay there until you decide to get rid of it. You can, bulk delete, you can select, filter, delete all that information as well if you want to keep your My Companies and My Contacts clean. So we have a really efficient way to allow you to manage your contacts and companies. But that is where all that information is going to stay. And that's where you can import, export, filter, do everything you need to do to take advantage of that really effective contact information and company information that we provide. We also have a very robust help center with more articles and videos such as this. But this is where you can dive in and you can find information on really every component within Seamless. So you can click into that help center, and that is going to allow you to start to identify articles, identify tours and quick tips around every piece of the Seamless platform. You can also submit a help ticket by using the help center as well. And our support team and our success team is very effective in helping our customers in getting what they need done quickly, efficiently, and being able to solve your problems really effectively. So navigate to that help center, take a look around, see if you can help yourself. And if you can't, let us know, and we will certainly follow up with you quickly and get your problems solved and your questions answered. All right, so that is the walkthrough of Seamless. So really quickly, I'm just going to go through and show you a few additional items within Seamless, and then you're off to the races, and you can get started finding contacts right away. So this is the search engine, as we mentioned in the walkthrough. And the one thing that I want to note in addition here is that if you want to start finding contacts right away, there's a really quick and efficient way to do that. And so I'm just going to put in a couple of criteria here so you can see it working in real time. So we'll put in Salesforce, sales and marketing, and then we will hit search. So you can also put in additional criteria like keywords. If you want somebody who's more interested or who has a background in security, but perhaps their title isn't marketing or security, that's a way to narrow down by a niche set of additional profile information on that contact that may not be explicitly included in their title of the company. So obviously, if they're director of security, they're going to be security focused, but they could be a director of IT with a security background, and that is who your security platform may want to connect with. So you can put those additional criteria in there. You can also use Boolean objects as well as negative keywords, string keywords, so with keywords within quotes, and that will allow you to further narrow down your result set as well. So I recommend utilizing those keywords, playing around with the negatives as well. You can put in negative intern, negative assistant if you want to make sure you remove certain things from some of those search titles. And then names as well. The one thing to note within names is this is for searching for a single contact. So if you're searching for John Smith at Salesforce, simply just clear your criteria, put in Salesforce, put in John Smith, click search, will show you that contact, and then click the find button to find that contact information. So now that I put in my search criteria, you can see I get all my search results here. I have multiple pages of search results, so I can page through all that information. But to find that contact information right away, you simply click the find button individually or find all. You can also select multiple and click find selected, but for the interest of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click this find button so you can see how quickly and effectively the platform within Seamless works. So what this is going to do is it's going to go through and it's going to start researching these contacts right away. So it's going to go into researching, and as those get resolved, those are going to show up in my contacts here. So now you can start to see my contacts pop up. And so all of those Salesforce contacts over here that you're seeing are all contacts that were in my search results here. So if we go ahead and go back to my search results, and now we can see that those contacts actually show up in my search results, researched and validated. And once those finish researching, those are all going to end up in my contacts, and they're going to show right in my search results as well. So here you can see all my contacts, all my contact information, emails, phones, direct phones, company phones, which are differentiated by these icons, companies, website, their name, their title, and everything within my contacts as well. Once you click that find button, is now fully it's fully editable as well. So you can edit the name, you can edit the title, you can even click in the email address and the phone numbers, and you can see all the intelligence around these phone numbers and contacts, information, email addresses. So you can see all the counts for the different company phone numbers. So we have a lot of company phone numbers around this 415 number for Salesforce. So that's our number one recommended company phone number. This contact at this company also has a couple of contact phone numbers as well. So direct dials and mobile phones. So you can use this to find contact information directly for that contact in addition to the company phone number, and then their email address. So the nice thing about Seamless is that we're showing the email address as well as additional AI criteria around how we got to that email address. So we're going to show you the address. We're going to show you the pattern count of that address, as well as additional patterns as well that we looked up in our platform. We're also going to show you the email AI response. So we're going to ping the email server, and we're going to provide you back that response. So this is valid. That means it's 99% good to go, and you can be very confident that is a good email for this contact. We also go through and we search social, web, website, news, and we also have user AI. So we go through and we look through all of these criteria across the internet to find this contact information. And user AI is actually your opportunity to give us some feedback as well. So you can click this thumbs up or thumbs down option, and that will allow you to tell us that, hey, this is good information, or hey, I tried this and for one reason or another, this information didn't work. So if you get back, you can click that thumbs down. You can give us a little bit more detail on why that didn't work for you. And then, we'll get that piece of information back, and that'll impact our AI and our machine learning. So that'll allow us to then next time recommend a better piece of contact information for this user. You can see you can do the same thing with contact company phone numbers as well. Click that thumbs down and provide us a little bit more information on why that phone number didn't work. And that will, again, just allow us to continue to optimize the platform and continue to make sure that we're providing you the best, most relevant contact information for all of your needs. You also have additional elements of intel here across, so you can look up company intel, which will be links across the contact and across the company. You can click directly into their LinkedIn account, or you can click into Salesforce or to Twitter and to Facebook as well and find quick searches for that contact to be able to drive into their social channels. But being a B2B platform, you can drive directly into their LinkedIn account and get quick access to their LinkedIn information to personalize and just to find more information around that contact as soon as you research the contact within Seamless. You also get access to not only their company location, so Salesforce, their San Francisco headquarters, you also get information when we have it around the contact location as well. So you see we have some information around Brian's contact location. So this is going to give you both company and contact location when we're able to provide that. You can set lists as well, so you can set up default lists. To set up a default list, simply put in, so I'm going to create a Salesforce list because I'm going to go across the internet and I'm going to find various contacts within Salesforce. Obviously, that's organized by the company, but if I want to create a separate list, I can create another list, a data list if I'm looking for data contacts. So anytime I set this list and I find a contact, that'll automatically get assigned to the default list that I have set. So if I go back into my search, and for these purposes, we'll go ahead and click a couple more. Those will go into researching, and they'll show up in my contacts. You can see them here in researching, and those get tagged as data. So anytime you have this data tag set, that will show up as the tag that you get automatically displaying here. And this also allows you, once you set up the tags here, will allow you to go in and change the tags after the fact. So I can come in here after the fact, I can modify. I can also bulk select multiple, and I can change the tag here as well. So I can do multiple things within the list building as well. And then after that, I have all my tags and all my lists set up. I can come in here and I can filter by those lists as well. So I can filter by my list. That'll filter down just by the data. And then I can delete or I can download. And if I have Salesforce connected, which I don't at the moment, I could then import as well. If I had Salesforce connected, it would show my Salesforce icon right here. I could click and import that, or I'd have an import option where I could do that in bulk as well at this stage. So I have my data lists set. So I'm going to go ahead and here and apply my data list. You can see those are all filtered down. So now I can go in here and I can download by my filtered list, or I can delete by my filtered list. You can do the same thing with selected as well. So I can select multiple, and then I can download or I can import or delete by my selected. And the last thing to note here is that you'll see across the downloads, this will download into a CSV. I have multiple options here. So I have all selected and filtered, which will base on what you have selected or filtered, but I also have raw and clean. So clean is a condensed version of the export that we have that'll export about 20 or so columns into your export with the core information and the core data from Seamless. Raw will be every piece of information we could possibly provide you from Seamless. So up to 10 company and contact phone numbers, up to 10 different email variations, both valid and invalid, all of the different intelligence information, all the different AI information that we provide. So it's a lot of data, but if you're somebody who just wants all the data and then you could decide what to do with it, that is the option that you'd want to take there. But if you want just the core data from Seamless, we'd recommend using that clean option to allow you to have a efficient download and then be able to take that information, modify it as quickly as possible, and then utilize that across your systems and third-party tools. And the last element of this training is filtering by this My Contacts and My Company information. So as I mentioned, you can really dynamically filter all this information. So go in here into the My Contacts or My Companies, and at the top you will see there are filter icons. So you can filter by all of these icons just by clicking on them, and then that'll give you all of your filtering options. So filtering by email and phone, you can filter by only those that include a contact phone, only those that include company phone, only those that include valid, so valid or accept all emails, or you can do multifaceted as well and select multiple. So this allows you to really dynamically filter by that information. You can filter by company name through the keyword search. You can filter by contact name through a keyword search or sorting there as well. So this allows you to really quickly and effectively filter that information. And then again, you can delete, you can download, you can import based on that filtered information. So the last little bit of this training is just to give you a little further help as you continue to get familiar with the platform. So as I mentioned, we have a really robust help center here. So you can click through that. You can use our help widget as well. That'll follow you around. You click that help widget and that will show up for you within Seamless, and it'll allow you to find help information. You can also invite your network. If you want to have other people who come alongside of you and share within Seamless, you can click invite your network and that'll take you over to the affiliate section. The great thing about the affiliate section is that you can earn commission on every person that upgrades to Seamless just by sending them an invite. So you can invite your entire email inbox using these buttons. You can individually target contacts and send them invites this way. And you can also share on LinkedIn, or you can grab your custom referral link, copy that and share it anywhere you might want, or email that out to anybody you might want. And anytime they join as a free user, you're going to get free credits. And as an upgraded user, you're going to get paid a commission on everyone that upgrades to an unlimited user within Seamless. And you can see here, your first 10 customers, you're going to get a commission rate of 10%, of 20%, and then 30%, and then 40% as those commissions start to grow. You also create you can create custom codes here as well. So you can create custom affiliate codes by just clicking this button. You can then create whatever code that you might want, click save, and then that'll create you a custom affiliate code. If you want to have something that's a little bit more unique than the one provided, but we're going to provide you one right out of the box. And then you can also track all of your invites, the signups associated to those invites, the paid users associated to those invites, and then the commissions earned on that, and then your next payout date. So as you start to acquire those paid users, you're then going to get commissions, and those commissions are going to be consistent. Every single time they pay on that contract, you're going to get that commission that you earned, 20, 30, up to 40% commission every single time just by clicking that invite button and sending it out to your network or to your friends and family and colleagues. You also can click this affiliate and promo materials FAQ. That's going to take you to a page with even more information around sales scripts you can use, around materials and videos and banner ads you can use if you really want to, go above and beyond and start gaining that affiliate. This gives you a lot more opportunity to take advantage of that affiliate commission and actually start building a good amount of income. We've had people who make hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, just simply promoting Seamless across their network, utilizing some of these promo tools and utilizing these quick links to be able to get that in front of their network of relevant sales and marketing professionals. You can also click this button to request a demo. And again, that's going to send a request and our team will get back to you right away to get a demo set up. So it's a one-click demo request, super easy. Just click that if you want a little bit more help. And again, learn how to use the best and use the most out of Seamless. And once you get in here and you start realizing the power of Seamless and you want more than 100 credits, simply click this upgrade to unlimited. That's going to take you and it's going to show you the ability to upgrade here. And it's going to give you our two really, really low cost options. So our most popular option is an annually paid. It's only $81 a month paid annually. And it actually saves you two months free of the Seamless platform. So you get 12 months for the price of 10 months. And this is our most popular. So just click buy unlimited annually, pay that annually, and you'll be all set for the year at a price that you will not find anywhere else for unlimited leads. And the other option is just paid monthly. So again, the annual contract, paid monthly, $97 per month, and that'll just allow you to be billed monthly and kind of spread that out over the course of the year, depending on how your budget is spread out. But click through either of those, simply go through that checkout process, add one or multiple licenses. That'll immediately upgrade you to unlimited, and you can start gathering hundreds or thousands of contacts at the click of a button. So again, this is the simplest, most effective, most cost-efficient way to get unlimited leads to fill your pipeline and make sure that you are in front of everyone that you want to sell to, and that your product is in front of everyone that needs to see it. So hopefully this really helped in terms of giving you an overview of the Seamless platform and letting you know how to best utilize Seamless. If you have any questions, let us know in our help center. Take a quick look, or let us know through our submitting a support ticket, and our team will get back to you. And we're really excited to have you on the platform. Best of luck.